Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous videos, I guided you step by step on how to create Hanhi, the adorable goose. Now that Hanhi is all ready, let's make a cute mini fish bag as an accessory for her. If you're new to crochet, don't worry, I'll walk you through each step. For this project, we'll need the following tools and materials. Rust-colored yarn for the body of the fish. Beige-colored yarn for the stripes. Some stuffing to give our amigurumi its shape. Scissors. 6mm safety eyes for the fish. Stitch markers help mark the beginning of each round. A yarn needle for sewing the parts together. A crochet hook, I'm using a hook size 3.00mm. To begin, we'll use the rust-colored yarn for the body of the fish bag. Round 1. Start with a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. To check if you've made the magic ring correctly, gently pull the short yarn tail. If it tightens the loop, you've done it right. Pull the ring tight, and that's the start of our little fish. 6 stitches total. For round 2, the pattern is 1 single crochet, then an increase, repeated 3 times. This will give you 9 stitches. In round 3, alternate between 2 single crochets and an increase, repeating 3 times to bring your total to 12 stitches. In round 4, we'll alternate 3 single crochets and an increase for a total of 15 stitches. Now for round 5, simply crochet 15 single crochets all the way around. Before starting round 6, we will switch to beige yarn by attaching it to the last stitch of round 5. Crochet 15 single crochets around for round 6. Now, switch back to the rust-colored yarn for round 7. In this round, we'll start shaping the fish by alternating 3 single crochets and a decrease, repeating 3 times to bring us down to 12 stitches. Crochet 12 single crochets all around for round 8. Attach 2 small 6mm safety eyes to the sides of the fish to bring it to life. For round 9, switch to beige-colored yarn again. Alternate 2 single crochets and a decrease 3 times to reduce the stitch count to 9. Remember to add some stuffing at this stage to give your fish bag a nice firm shape. For round 10, alternate one single crochet and a decrease 3 times to bring the stitch count to 6. Switch back to rust-colored yarn. For round 11, crochet 6 single crochets around. For round 12, we'll increase in every stitch to double the count to 12. Crochet 12 single crochets for round 13. Make sure to stuff the fish bag tightly. To finish, fold the opening flat and crochet 6 single crochets through both sides for round 14. Now let's add the strap. Using rust-colored yarn, Continue using the same yarn you used to make the fish to create the strap. Chain 50 stitches for a long strap, or adjust the length to your preference. Then, slip stitch into the opposite side of the bag to secure the strap. Fasten off and weave in the ends to tidy it up. And there you have it, a cute little fish bag for Hanhi. Doesn't it look adorable? Hanhi is ready to show off her new accessory. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know how your Hanhi and her fish bag turned out. Happy crocheting and see you next time!